because of the civil rights movement, because of the laws President Johnson signed. New doors of opportunity and education swung open for everybody. Not all at once, but they swung open.
Those are just a few words spoken by President Barack Obama in honor of the 50th anniversary of the Civil Rights Act. The 1964 Act was passed on July 2nd to prevent discrimination based on race, sex, religion, or national origin. Former President Lyndon B. Johnson implemented the landmark piece of legislation in hopes of ending legal segregation. Now, 50 years later, Johnson's efforts are still celebrated. Students of Howard University shared their thoughts on progress made since the passing of the Civil Rights Act.
I'm thankful for it because I didn't have to live for that. I'm still kind of, dealing with all of the after effects of it, but I'm thankful that it happened. I don't think I have any personal feelings to it right now.
So it's good knowing that it's been 50 years since the fight for equal rights. Even though things aren't completely equal yet, it's good to know that some progress has been made.
Although we've made great strides in these last 50 years as African American people in society, we still face many adversities and discrimination every day.
In the educational system, I still think that we have a lot to do when it comes to the disparities in the schools. If you look at a black inner city school versus like a suburban white school, there are great differences.
Not only do some still view racial disparities as a pressing issue in our society, but the overall effect of the Civil Rights Act is put into question.
Since the passage of the Rights Act, we've seen a deep regression and a retreat from the spirit and the enforcement of the law, in part because the courts, driven by politics, have narrowed the enforceability of that act.
Reporting with BJ2 News, this is Jennifer Onwuka.